Hello students, I welcome you all to CBM Academy. Today I will teach you about has and have. So let's start our lesson. My dear children, we use has or have to show possession. For an example, Banu has a pen. So Banu is with a pen. And also, we use has or have to show something belongs to you. For an example, I have a car. That means the car belongs to me. Okay. Now let's see the usage of has and have. Has is used when we speak about one person, place, animal, or thing. We use has with she has. We use has with he has. We use has with it has. Also, we use has with names, name of a person, name of animal, or name of any object. Now let's see about the usage of have. Have is used when we speak about more than one person or thing. We use have with I. We say, I have. We use have with we. We have. We use have with you. You have. And also, we use have with they. We say, they have. It's fine. Now it's the time to see the examples for has or have. First, we use has with she. She has a pen. Have you seen? She is a girl. Singular girl. We will use she has. She has a pen. Like that, the second example. He has a garden. He has a garden. In this sentence, he is a boy, singular boy. We will use he has. He has a garden. And we'll see the next example. There is a dog. So we say it has a tail. Then Linda has a cupboard. Linda has a cupboard. And my dear students, now we will see the negative sentences with has. We use does not or doesn't to write negative sentences with has. See the examples please. She doesn't have a pen. He doesn't have a garden. It doesn't have a tail. Linda doesn't have a cupboard. Here just look at the examples again. She has a pen. She doesn't have a pen. Here, she is a girl, singular girl. So, we will use she doesn't have for the negative form. Look at the examples children. Note this point. We use doesn't plus have. Now, she doesn't have a pen. This is the negative form. That means she is not with a pen. We will see the next example. He has a garden. Here, he is a boy, singular boy. So, we will use he doesn't have a garden for the negative form. Now, he doesn't have a garden. This is the negative form. That means he is not with the garden. And children see all examples. It has a tail. We say it doesn't have a tail. Linda has a cupboard. Linda doesn't have a cupboard. Now let's see the examples of have. We use have with I have a pet. We use have with we have books. We use have with you You have chairs. We use have with they. They have a mango tree. Now children, we will see the negative sentences with have. We use do not or don't to write negative sentences with have. Here, just look at the examples. I don't have a pet. We don't have any books. You don't have chairs. They don't have a mango tree. Here, just look at the examples again. I have a pet. I don't have a pet. We have books. We don't have any books. You have chairs. You don't have chairs. They have mango tree. They don't have a mango tree. Dear students, always remember this. We use I, you, we, they with have. We can say the examples. I have a chair. You have friends. We have a family. They have umbrella. Like that, we can use he, she, it with has. He has a friend. She has a child. It has a tail. Okay, I hope you will understand this. My dear children, it's the time for exercise. Here, you will find the correct answer and write it in the blanks. Find the answers from the options given in green color. The first question is, I dash a cat. What is the answer here? Yes, I have a cat. Very good. The second question is, you dash two dogs. The third one is, he dash a blue car. Yes, he has a blue car. Mary dash a bike. Mary has a bike. Very good. Then we dash a computer. Can you say the answer? Yes, we have a computer. Very nice. They dash pencils. What is the answer here? They have pencils. Good. John dash a bill. John is singular, so has. John has a bill. John and Mary dash a baby. Yes, John and Mary are plural, so have a baby. John and Mary have a baby. Excellent work, children. You have tried well. Now, my dear students, turn to page number 40 in your textbook and read this. Listen and act. There are 6 children in this picture. Everyone talking each other. The first boy is telling, "You look sad." Then the second boy is replying for that, "I don't have a ruler." Then the third boy say, "Don't worry, I have one." And the fourth girl says, "I have a color pencils. She has an eraser." And the fifth girl also said, "Yes, I have an eraser." And the last boy said, "Okay, let's share." Dear children, you can see these children are using here has, have, and also the negative form of has and have. Okay, learn from this page. Children, in your class also you can speak with your friends using has and have. And also you can practice this dialogue with your siblings at home. Now children, turn to page number 38 in your workbook and write the answers. Look at the questions first. First question is, name the pictures. You can see some pictures are here, so you can name them. The first picture is, yes, This is a pencil, so write it pencil. The second picture is scissor. The third one is eraser. Very good. The fourth one is ruler. And the last one is a pen. Very good, students. You have tried well. Okay, students. Now we'll see the next question. There are two faces mentioned in the picture. One is sad mood. That is mentioning us, I don't have anything. The other one is happy mood face. That is mentioning us, I have everything. Okay, so read the sentences one by one. There are 5 sentences. If you find the word have in your sentence, you have to draw happy mood or smiley face. Otherwise, if you find the word don't have in your sentence, you have to draw sad mood face. Okay, students, I think you will understand this question very easily. Dear children, do these questions at home and be safe. Dear children, I hope today's lesson has and have is very much clear to you. So, see you in the next lesson. If you like my today's video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get English lessons videos at very first. Thank you, dear children.